Oh no! Look here! My tooth is hurt and broken. Come on, little kids, let's protect our teeth from all the germs together. Look here, kids. I see so many candies. They're so colorful. Do you like candies? Do you want to eat candies? No, because eating a lot of candies gives us a toothache. It will hurt your teeth. Kids, when we eat a lot of candies, our teeth get rotten and broken. Look, the teeth is rotten. And you know what to do? You need to brush your teeth. Great job, kids. You need to brush your teeth 2 times a day so that you can keep your teeth healthy and clean. Look here, kids. This is how you're gonna brush your teeth. Up and down, round and round. Brush, brush, and brush. Do not forget to brush all of the teeth, kids, so that you can keep your germs away. And then you gotta gargle. Have some water in your mouth and play with it. Here and there. Clean your teeth, kids. Come on, do it. And now it's time to floss. Take a thread, put it between your teeth, and floss it. Just like this one. And then the upper teeth as well. Kids, do not forget any of your teeth. Now look here, kids. Our teeth are shining and they're so bright. Do you see any germs here? No. Our teeth are clean because we brushed it, gargled, and then flossed it. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.